Yes guys, welcome back. Like the way you see to the title, how you can get viewers a new YouTube channel. You just upload your video, and when you check like this, you say, wow, what happened here? Getting anything 2 days, 3 days, you go only like 2 viewers or 3 viewers. Then to get more and more viewers, while even you are new YouTuber. Browser you are using, so on your YouTube channel, when you go to your YouTube channel, you go to the top of your YouTube channel, you click your name. After that, you go to view your channel, you click your view to your channel. After that, you came to video manage. Here to the video manage, you click on the video manage. After that, when you click on the video manage, where are you heading for? You want to go to add your video to the playlist. You're going to add your video on the playlist. You came here, you don't have playlist, you don't have anything, but the good thing is on the top here, it just is showing video, short, live, post, playlist, broadcast, and a promotion. So you are new, you don't have any playlist. You go here to the top, you create playlist. It say like upload video, go live, create post, new playlist, and a new podcast. So we want to create a new playlist. You go to the new playlist, you click new playlist. After that, it will just come here. When you came here, you write here any things you want to write. Like for example, I want to write how to get views. Then after that, you come here to the description. Here to the description, you don't need to write a lot of things like how to grow your channel. You see, you write how to grow your channel. You don't need to write a lot of things. That is enough. For example, here is public and privacy. You see public, private, and unlisted. So you don't need to put unlisted. Unlisted is only gonna see that playlist, that person who go link. If you send link to your friend or any family friend or anyone, is gonna see the video. But we don't want to do on unlisted, or we don't want to do private. Private is totally no one is gonna see it. So we want to make public. We go to the public weekly. So and here it just asks you what day do you want to do. You want to schedule like you want to publish tomorrow or after tomorrow or today? No, I want to do it now. Why I'm going to select it someday. I do here okay. After that, what you did, when you do here, you have already make your playlist. You create your playlist. It's going to show me on the listing of the playlist. So if I go to the playlist, that playlist is here. There was not any video, is new. I want to add video. I will click here to the, if I click here to the pen, it's going to show me the detail, everything. But I want to add video. I click here. When I click here, there was not any video, nothing is new. Is new. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to add video. I will go to my videos, where there was my videos, like here to the content. I will go here. Then I want to add this video to that playlist. I click the video, but this is already, you have already uploaded video. But if you want to create without not even uploading any video, at the time you are posting your video, is gonna ask you. But this one, it means like I've already uploaded this video. So I go here to the bottom. I have 5 playlists. So I want to add the 6th one, the one I create now, how to get views. Then I click that one. Then I say yes, and it just asking me here save. Yes, I go save. So I add that one video on that playlist. I'm going to show you guys how I did that. I go to I go back. I will go back to show you to the playlist. Then here this is the playlist. You see, I add one video. There was 0 here, but now there was 1 video. This one is 26 video, this one is 19 video, this is 20 video, but this one is only 1 video, to mean that the one I add now. Okay, what else we want to do? I have to go back again. What else I want to do? I want to add card. So when you want to add card, you go back again, the same, you click the video is here. When I click this video, I just see come here. I'll keep scroll on here. You see here, you see subtitle, end the screen, and card. So I want to add card. So when I want to add card, I click here to add card. This, you see, this is small black here, this is small dot here. You see, that is card. Like for example, I will take this cursor, this like pen, I will put here to the end. You see where I put and you see the sign here, how to add the end screen. This is a video. So if I click this one here, I go and add video or playlist or channel, then I will select any type of video I needed, then I will add on that. For example, I want to add the top video. This is the first video. Click this one, is here. You see there was 2, now it just become 3. And the good thing is you can drag any place you want. Then let me leave here, then I go here to save. So that's how you can add a card on your video. Okay, I want to add my video end screen. I came here again, I click to the end screen. After, you see it's 1 2 3 4. I've already added the end screen of this video. So example, if you want to add end screen, you click here, it show like plus sign, because now mine now is not going to accept it because I've already have but what I will do, I will take one off. For example, I will take one, I will delete one. So if I delete one, I delete what? My channel. You see my channel is not there. So I will go and add. I want to add. So it just asks me, do you want to add a video, playlist, subscribers or channel? I will add a subscribe button. So I will add this one, then it's here, it's pop up already. Then I say save. That's it. That's how you can add the end screen on your video. Okay, the other thing is, like, if you want to make your video like subtitle, when you just talk like this and it just typing what you're saying, then you click here, then on here you can just see write what you are having on, or you can just type whatever you want to do. But me, I don't do it because for me, I don't need for now, but that's not going to affect or it's not going to increase. The main thing here you need to do is only to add your video on playlist, to add your video end screen, to add your video cards. After that, then that's how you're going to get more and more views. Then the last things I'm going to add as a bonus. Normally here people, they keep ticking, you know, it's not important to tick this one, because this one YouTube is not, it's asking you this question, like, if you read yourself, do any of this following description your content? For example, make a, is like your video, because it just asks you, do you need support from us or something like that. If someone asks you, do you want any support from me, will you say yes or no? You have to say yes. Like YouTube, you have to say yes. So you don't need to say yes or no. Leave the way it is, because this one is asking you, is it your content? You did everything the right way? It just asks you, did you do everything in right way? If you say yes, they know, like, okay, you don't need anything to ask. So YouTube, they're gonna leave your channel where it is. So don't do anything, leave the way it is. After that, you go publish. Then after, when you finish everything, you publish and your video is going. And make sure every week, every the end of the week, go here to the analytics. Check your analytics, how your video is doing. Then that is very important, guys. You have to check every week on this one. And if you go to reach, the people is going, your video reach, like here, if you scroll down here, you see here external, outside the channel page, this one, then directly unknown, this one, suggested, this one, others. This how your traffic work on your channel page like Facebook, any other places. Then where the people coming from, then browser features, suggestion videos, other YouTube features, playlists. You see, these are the main things you have to check, new YouTubers, and make sure you check every week. Every week, try to check and make sure, is anything changed last week to this week? What did it change? What did I increase? What did I decrease? You have to know your channel, what you're increasing and what you are decreasing. So don't just do and do and do. You don't know what you're increasing and what you're decreasing. So that is not something good to you. Thank you very much, guys. This is all and all I will try to teach you. And make sure, if you are new YouTubers, to upload video every day. If you can, try to upload 3 to 4 video a week, 2 to 3. That is more important than 1 video a month. Is not going to help you. Thank you very much, guys. Please and please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more updated video.